Hello everyone, happy Shoshti are here for the pandal hopping in Durgapur. So this place is of Nabarun. The destination is Nabarun, Durgapur. So as you can see, we are walking through the streets of the highways like it's undercover. So you can see very beautiful footpaths, beautiful things has been there, and so reasonable price. And I like this actually the collections. So now it's a mela that is going on in this beautiful premises. It's so good price, 20-30 rupees you can buy so many stuffs. Now this is the main pandal of Durga Thakur, that is the Nabaron. So it's the craze there. So here I and mom just decided to make a small reels. Okay, now let's move into the pandal hopping. The beautiful designs, the beautiful architecture made by this craftsman. It's really worthy because the planning, the designs, the materials used, the finally the setup has cost lots of emotions plus love from the different persons all over the place. So this is finally our Ma Durga Thakur. Bless us all, please. Hope that this Durga Puja spreads happiness to everyone's life. And this is a very beautiful chandelier, and I love this one too. So this Navaratri, the Soshti, the Shaptami, Ashtami, Navami, and finally the Dashami, that is the Dashera, is one of the greatest festival in all over the world. So here my brothers requested me to for this balloon, and finally he had done. Now we are moving back to another destination for our puja hopping, pandal hopping. So this here it comes to Marconi, and by God I'm saying the Marconi is too much overcrowded. It took around 20 minutes to cover this crowd and see the actual pandal. And bhai sahab, in this crowd it just took the breath. But yeah, everybody says it's worth of watching, but for me it's like average. But whatever show, Ma Durga is always there, so everything is beautiful and every places should be nice. Thank you so much.